just got to Orlando, Florida, and about to have, I guess, our first meal at Duffy's. That's Friday. So I'm in Duffy's restaurant, sports bar, and grill here in Orlando, Florida, and me and my mom, this is our first stop since we got to Orlando, and we're here trying out drinks. I got the gummy bear mojito, and it's a good time because the drinks are 2 for $1, and my mom is drinking, what are you drinking, Mom?
Oh, strawberry daiquiri.
My mom is drinking a strawberry daiquiri. There's my mom, and she got her. There's my mom drinking her strawberry daiquiri.
Good. So good, yeah. In Florida. We're in Florida.
Okay, so my mom got a half rack of ribs. Looks like a lot of meat there. That's a lot. And me over here, I have the Impossible Burger.
Yes, I thought it was bigger than that on the picture.
So this will be my second time trying an Impossible Burger. I just tried one last week in Milwaukee for the first time, and it was actually pretty good. So I'm gonna try this again.
But you know what?
Okay, so we've moved outside to have drinks, and I am having key lime pie. It's delicious. I had it before in Fort Lauderdale from here.
And moi is having a smoke.
Oh Lord. On my YouTube channel?
Oh, I'm sorry.
But outside they have
I'm the mom. I do what I do. You don't do that. I do.
lots of TVs, fans,
Oh, they got TVs
lots of places to sit.
Nice weather.
A really nice weather.
Playing little Janet Jackson.